Welcome back to another little Kilted Texan adventure. Right now I'm filling up my excursion, and it's a little bit of a weird day, but essentially I'm going to take this diesel swilling, well, I guess in this particular case because I'm filling it up here, this biodiesel swilling beast, and I'm going to go see about picking me up a all-wheel drive ID.4 to replace my 2021 that I had. So join us and we'll see how long we go. Got about a 4-hour drive, and hopefully everything goes well, and we end up bringing back a nice shiny new 2023 Chattanooga built ID.4. So I ended up having that 2021 for 1 full year plus a couple of days, and I sold it at the height of the used car market, and with all the incentives factored in, I ended up making a couple of $1,000. And I was in line for a 2023 Pro S Plus that was not going to come in before the end of the year, when I knew the IRS was going to kind of put the kibosh on a lot of these tax credits. So I put my feelers out, and I got in touch with a gentleman by the name of Rocky Santiago from VW Waco, and he had one, but his dealership owner ended up being kind of a jerk and tried to screw me over. So I passed on that deal, but later Rocky contacted me back and said that his brother Ricky runs Hillbilly Volkswagen out of Arlington, Texas, and he had one that was identical to the one I was looking at, and they set me up and got me a great deal. And then the fun part was that I got to drive this excursion to Arlington at 70 miles an hour just to see what kind of mileage I would get, and I was doing 29 miles per gallon with a freaking diesel swelling excursion. It was awesome. You know, when dealing with the jerk out of VW Waco, not Rocky, Rocky was awesome, but when dealing with the guy out of VW Waco, it just made me think, you know, with my luck, it could be raining candy and I'd look up and still catch a Brussels sprout, but this ended up working out great. The guys here at Hillbilly Volkswagen were fantastic, got me in and out of there, probably maybe 45 minutes, even going through the finance guy. So, I mean, these guys were nice and efficient, got me through there, got me, you know, worked up, went and looked at the car, and it, you know, they didn't even put it through make ready, didn't put any badging on it, which is what I liked. Well, old Dirty Gertie made it. I'm at Hillbilly Volkswagen here in Arlington, Texas, and we're going to go in and see if we can get this done. And after much ballyhoo and much wailing and gnashing of teeth, and going through a whole bunch of people who you really just feel like didn't even deserve a participation trophy today, we are here, and we've seen the vehicle. It looks grand and gorgeous, and we're getting ready to go in and get all the paperwork taken care of. I feel much better.
Toward I-20 Frontage Road. This route avoids a crash on I-35W South. You are on the best route. You will arrive at 1720.
5 minutes slower with no tolls, so yeah, this is good.
Yeah. Click the exit for
Dan, this Dodge has me going 39 miles an hour.
Driving this thing in the rain makes me feel like I am busier than a cosmetic dentist at a hockey tournament. Man, this thing takes some effort. Okay, we're almost to the left turn. Okay, right 2 tires look good. So yeah, as soon as you can come around, yep, there you go. And I'll come around you.
You look good.
Left 2 tires look good. I'll come around.
Okay, there's probably just to say, I'm going to back it off so you can come around.
No, I got you. I'm good. Those guys at Hillbilly Volkswagen did as I asked, and they didn't touch it. Make ready, badges, nothing. And the tire pressure light was on, so we needed to do that little visual check to make sure that they were all actually still up and, you know, good. And those that know me know that I can't run through Waco without having to stop at Casa Olay and get me some cheesy Mexican food. Plus, the Electrify America is just right around the corner if you need a little charge top up. Although we didn't. It looks so weird with the lit up red VW in the back. .1 miles per gallon.
She has to handle getting through Austin, right?
Yeah, this is it's gonna suck. That was all because of the deceleration and downhill. This is not a place where you can take your mandatory DOT rest.
Yeah, I know.
Initial bringing it home from the dealership, we ran 238 miles, an average of 56 miles per hour, 4 hours and 20 minutes to make that run, and on the highway doing 3.9 miles per kilowatt hour. So we went 238 miles on a single charge. Right now we are sitting at 15% with a 50-mile range left, so 250 miles on this bad boy. So she did really well. My wife drove it back right behind my Excursion. So, you know, maybe something had to do with me punching a hole in the air with the big Excursion. But this thing is coming across really nice and efficient right at the moment. Plus that heated windshield and heat pump and all that good stuff. I'm a very, very happy camper at this point. So, super efficient. This thing is super nice. And just pleased to have another ID in the fleet, because man, I missed it. And yeah, I know the Chattanooga built ID.4s don't have a heat pump, but the mouth was running and the brain was not engaged. But on the plus note, man, the Excursion did awesome. She did 30 plus miles per gallon on the way back, so an average of like 29 something. Anyways, it was incredible. So I'm a happy camper with the Excursion, extremely happy with how efficient that ID.4 is, and I look forward to more adventures with this dude. So if you're gonna crash into that like button and subscribe for more, and we'll talk to you in the next one.